How to fix not eligible on TikTok. So if you're facing a problem of being not eligible on TikTok, then first of all you have to open up your TikTok application, and then after opening, now you can simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then you can go to sign up, and under sign up you can choose any one of that option, and then you can simply choose your phone number or your email account. So here let me tell you one thing, that if you have created your account, like if you have created with the age of 16 or below 16, then you might find this kind of problem because you are not eligible on TikTok if you are below 16. And so that was one issue. So to fix that, you have to simply delete your account, and then you have to create your new account with above 16 years of age. So that was one fix. But if that doesn't fix your problem, and if you are above 16, like for example if you have recently turned 16, then you can simply go to your account, and then you can sign into your account. And after signing in or after logging in, now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then you can go to the upper right corner, which has the 3-bar icon, and then go to settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on free up space, and then you have to clear all of your cache. Tap on clear cache and then tap on clear. So this might fix your problem, but if this still doesn't fix your problem, then go to report a problem, and now you can simply scroll all the way down and go to submit a report. And here you have to write a feedback that I have recently turned 16 years and I'm not being able to do like some things on TikTok, I'm being restricted or anything. And after writing your feedback, and you should also upload some photos of the proof that you are above 16 years of age. And after uploading your photos or after writing the feedback, you can simply tap on submit, which is on the middle of your screen. And that's it. So after submitting, TikTok will take action. After that, TikTok will send you some mails on how to recover or how to fix that problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.